Hello my fellow crocheters, today I will show you how to attach this to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we finished the row 8, then sa row 9, we have 2 slip stitch here. So chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert to the 5th chain. 1 double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then 2 double crochet to the next space. 1, 2, then chain 1, then we have 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So insert your hook to the other side. Here, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, then chain 1, then 2 double crochet, same space, 1, 2, then 1 double crochet to the next chain space 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we have 5 double crochet, same as the other side. So chain 2, remove your hook, insert to the other side to the chain 5 space here. Grab the yarn, pull through, then chain 2, 1, 2, then skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook into the 6 double crochet, then remove your hook, insert to the first V stitch to the other side. Here, grab the yarn, pull through, chain 1, then 1 double crochet to the previous here, then 1 double crochet to the next here, 1 double crochet, then remove your hook, insert to the next to the second V stitch here, grab the yarn, pull through, chain 1, 1 double crochet here, then skip 1 here, 1 double crochet, remove your hook, insert your hook to the third V stitch here, grab the yarn, pull through, chain 1, then 1 double crochet to the previous here, then repeat, skip here, then 1 double crochet here, remove your hook, insert to the next V stitch here, grab the yarn, pull through, then so just repeat. So, madali lang naman po siyang gawin. Sana magustuhan nyo. Ito po siya ay pang bed. So we have 2 V stitches left. Okay, then 1 double crochet to the first, double crochet to the next. Yan dito. Then insert to the last V stitch. And there you go. So yan po. So chain 2, 1, 2, remove your hook, insert doon sa chain 5 space here, grab the yarn, pull through, then chain 2, 1, 2, then skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert to the 6, 1 double crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then 2 double crochet, same space, 1, 2, so we have 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then chain 1, insert your hook anywhere in the middle, pwede dyan, chain 1, then 2 double crochet to the previous same space, 1, 2, then 1 double crochet to the next chain space 3 times, 2, 3, then chain 2. So kung ano po yung ating ginawa sa kabila, yun din po yung ating gagawin dito. Just repeat from here until here. Then dito sa last, 2 double crochet, same space, then chain 1, and then connect to the other side, chain 1, 2 double crochet, same space, then 1 double crochet 3 times. Yan, repeat lang din po dyan. Then chain 5, skip 5, and sa 6, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, same space, yan, continue lang po siya, pero hindi na po kayo magko-connect sa kabila. So, continue lang po yan hanggang dun sa kabilang side. Then, 2 slip stitch. Chain 5, then skip 4, 1 double crochet to the 5th stitch 3 times, 2, 3, then 2 double crochet to the same space, chain 2, double crochet, same space, then to the next, 1 double crochet 3 times, then chain 5, repeat lang po yan. Yan, repeat until here. Then 1 double crochet, chain 1, then slip stitch to the second chain, then another slip stitch, cut the yarn. So ganun lang po siya kadaling gawin. I hope you like it. So, i-hide lang po natin yung mga tira-tirang buntot. Please subscribe to my channel. Your support is much appreciated. Thank you so much. And there you go. So, diba ang ganda niya? So beautiful.